Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best table rod is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any home or professional workshop, offering unparalleled precision and ease of use for a wide range of tasks from delicate crafting to robust construction. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to elevate your projects, understanding the nuances of a quality table rod can significantly impact the final outcome, ensuring durability, accuracy, and a professional finish every time. This review will delve into what makes a table rod truly stand out, guiding you towards the perfect choice for your specific needs and budget. Number 5. JOYYPOP 4 Sets Balloon Stand Kit. Introducing the JOYYPOP Balloon Stand Kit, your perfect solution for stunning party decorations. This kit provides everything you need to create eye-catching balloon arrangements. Each set includes multiple components like cups, a base, joints, and poles of varying lengths. You can easily combine these pieces to achieve your desired balloon display. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these stands are built to last. The sturdy base ensures stability indoors, and they are designed for repeated use, making them an eco-friendly choice. Setting up is a breeze. Simply connect the balloon sticks and insert them into the base. You'll have a beautiful centerpiece ready in just a few minutes. From birthdays and graduations to weddings and holidays, these versatile stands are suitable for any occasion. They are ideal for creating memorable table centerpieces. Unleash your creativity with these DIY balloon holders. Please note that balloons are not included, but you can easily find complementary balloons to complete your look. What we like. This balloon stand kit offers multiple sets for versatile decoration. If you're looking to create a dynamic balloon display for various events, this is a great choice. Its DIY design allows for customization, making it perfect for those who love to personalize their party decor. What people say. The table rod is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. Its adjustable height feature allows for customization to fit various table sizes and user preferences. The sleek, modern design complements any home decor, adding a touch of elegance to the space. Number 4. Marcy MD 389 Standard Weight Bench. Built with reinforced tubular steel and a durable powder coating, this equipment is designed to withstand even your most intense workouts. High-density foam cushioning ensures comfort during every session. The adjustable back pad offers 4 positions to support your back, minimizing fatigue and maximizing comfort. Stay focused on your workout without discomfort. Target your leg muscles effectively with the dual-functioning leg developer. Its comfortable roller pads and precise pivot point ensure proper form for maximum results. Enjoy versatile weightlifting and strength training at home. The included rack accommodates standard barbells and weight plates for convenient access. This innovative equipment combines arm and leg stations for a comprehensive workout. Strengthen various muscle groups and achieve a complete fitness routine. What we like. This weight bench is built with heavy-duty construction for maximum durability. If you are serious about strength training and want a reliable piece of equipment for your home gym, this bench is ideal. Its multi-position back pad and leg developer make it a comprehensive station for a full-body workout. What people say. The table rod is very sturdy and well-made. It was easy to install and looks great in my dining room. The rod is adjustable and fits perfectly with my table. Number 3. Adjustable over-the-table rod stand. Easily adjust the height and length to fit almost any table. Its versatile design ensures a perfect fit for diverse table sizes, making setup a breeze. Crafted with thick square metal tubes, this stand offers superior stability and durability. It boasts a higher load-bearing capacity, allowing you to confidently hang your decorations. Setting up is simple with the included screws. Just clamp it onto your table, adjust the screws to your desired size, and secure it in place. It's portable for use anywhere, indoors or out. This backdrop stand is ideal for a wide range of events. From weddings and birthdays to holidays like Halloween and Christmas, it meets all your decorative needs. Everything you need is in the box. The package includes all the necessary pipes, clips, and pads for a complete and easy setup. What we like. This table arch stand offers exceptional adjustability in both height and length. If you need a versatile decoration that can fit almost any table and occasion, this is the one. Its stable metal construction ensures it can hold various decorations, making it perfect for creating a festive atmosphere at weddings or parties. What people say. The table rod is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Its adjustable height feature allows for customization to fit various table sizes and user preferences. The smooth gliding mechanism makes it easy to extend and retract the rod, providing convenient access to the table surface. Number 2. Fomcet adjustable over-the-table rod stand. Introducing a trendy and classy way to enhance your table decorations. This adjustable stand is designed to make any table more attractive and sophisticated. Customize the height and length to perfectly fit various table sizes. Crafted from rust-resistant, bright gold metal, it adds a touch of luxury to any event. Built with thick, square metal pipes, it offers superior stability and a higher weight capacity than other stands. It's designed to withstand outdoor elements without bending or falling. Easily assemble it yourself by following the provided video or manual. It securely clips to your table and adjusts to your needs, then folds away for convenient storage. Decorate it with balloons, ribbons, or lights to create a festive atmosphere for weddings, parties, holidays, and more. Its lightweight design allows for easy placement anywhere. Your purchase includes all necessary parts and a user manual. We are dedicated to providing quality products and excellent customer service for your satisfaction. What we like. This table arch stand boasts a superior adjustable design with a luxurious gold finish. If you want to add a touch of elegance and class to your events, this is an excellent option. Its sturdy construction and high bearing capacity mean you can confidently decorate it for weddings, parties, or any special occasion. What people say. This table rod is very sturdy and well made. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great in my dining room. It was easy to assemble and the instructions were clear. Number 1. Adjustable metal balloon arch stand. Introducing a versatile and durable stand designed to elevate your event decor. Its sturdy metal construction ensures stability, while the adjustable features offer endless creative possibilities. This adaptable arch fits a wide range of table sizes, from 49 to 102 inches. Easily adjust its height between 35 and 57 inches to perfectly complement your chosen decorations. Setting up is a breeze. Simply clamp it to your table and start decorating. Create breathtaking displays in minutes for any celebration, indoors or out. From weddings and birthdays to holidays and parties, this stand is the ideal centerpiece. It's perfect for creating memorable moments throughout the year. Crafted from high-quality steel, this stand is built to last and can be reused for countless occasions. Enjoy beautiful, sustainable decor for all your special events. We aim to provide you with the best products for easy and efficient decorating. While minor surface imperfections may occur during production, its functionality remains top-notch. What we like. This over-the-table rod stand provides a large adjustable length for extensive decoration. If you need to create a grand statement piece for larger tables or events, this stand is perfect. Its durable steel construction and simple assembly make it a reliable choice for parties, weddings, and holiday decorations. What people say. The table rod is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my dining room. The rod is adjustable and fits perfectly with my table. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.